Now that I passed my NCLEX, I'm going to tell y'all what I used to pass my NCLEX in 85 questions. So the first thing I used was Mark Klimek lectures. I don't think they're on YouTube anymore, but they are on Spotify for free. So make yourself a Spotify account and search up Mark Klimek, and his lectures 1 through 12 will be on there. So I didn't listen to all 12 of his lectures. I listened to his lab values one, I listened to the maternity one, the child health one, and I listened to lecture number 12, which is prioritization and delegation. They say that is the most important one and to try to listen to it at least twice. I just listened to it once, but yeah. The next thing I used that I literally am so grateful that I invested in is NCLEX Bootcamp. NCLEX Bootcamp literally is the best thing. Whoever made that, they deserve everything amazing in life. So NCLEX Bootcamp is an app that you pay for a membership. I paid $53 for the 1-month membership, and they have so many questions. They have standalone questions, they have case study questions, they have crash course videos, they have cheat sheets that you can access, and they have a study plan that you can make. I logged in my NCLEX date, and the app gave me a day-by-day study guide that I followed all the way up until the day before my NCLEX. I did about 1,947 questions. That's the most questions that you can do. I ended up doing every single question, and I read every single rationale that they gave me. And the good thing about bootcamp is the rationales are not only just written out, they also give you a video explaining and breaking down each question. They also have 4 readiness exams. My first readiness exam, I scored a level of a high, which is a high chance of passing my NCLEX if I would take it tomorrow. And my next 3 readiness exams, I scored a score of a very high, which is basically a very high chance of passing the NCLEX. Also, the setup of NCLEX Bootcamp is identical to the NCLEX. The colors, it looks exactly the same. So when you go take your NCLEX, it looks like you're just taking a readiness exam from Bootcamp. So I swear down by NCLEX Bootcamp. I'm an NCLEX Bootcamp stan. So Bootcamp is designed for NCLEX RN. However, it does say on their website that LPN students can use it as well. And lastly, the last thing I used to pass my NCLEX in 85 questions was I went on YouTube the day of my test and I looked up beautiful nursing and I watched her 1-hour NCLEX review. And I just basically wrote down everything she said. Writing down helps me remember more. She basically sums up all of Mark K's lectures into a 1-hour video. So yeah, that's everything I used to pass my NCLEX in the first try in 85 questions. Happy studying!